Welcome to Lex Designs. In today's video, we're going to be cutting this full flay. If this is your first time coming here, please stay tuned to the end and watch so you can learn how to cut this flay gown in a much more simpler method. So let's get right into the video. So I have already folded this into two. Look at it. So I just folded it into two. You can make sure that you fold your own into two. Make sure that you have your full length dress or the full length of your dress on this. So you will have to fold this into another triangular form after folding it into two, just this way. Okay, and when you're folding, leave about 1 inch for your zip allowance, because I am not adding any lining, so no need for another ½ inch. Okay, so 1 inch for your zipper allowance. Now I'm marking my waist. My waist is 10 plus my allowances, so I just placed it this way. You can see the way I'm placing it, and then I mark. You can still decide to start from this tip to mark your waist measurement. Okay, any of these methods, but first you have to place your tape in a horizontal form, to get your waist measurement first before you mark from the tip of the gown or from the tip of the material. Okay, so with this now I'm going to measure out my length. I'm starting from this point where I already marked, and then I'll measure out my length. Now after I had already marked it, it's still optional for you to just stop here and then start from the tip of this fabric to start measuring. Okay, so I'll just show you how to start from, especially if you're measuring a long gown. Now I pinned the tape to the tip of the fabric, or you can use a book, a heavy book or a heavy stuff, anything heavy to place on the tape so that you can just move freely. So that's it. So I'm just cutting out the flay. This flay is practically ready. This is a very simple flay and very full for that matter. Okay, so I'm just notching out where my zip will start and the front of the dress, and then I'll be notching the downside as well. Now I'm going to be cutting out this side that has 4 folds. Okay, now for the upper part of my dress, I have already marked what I want it to be like. I'm using a bustier, without a couple. Okay, this is more like an English way. All right, so I'm just going to join them, and then I want to show you how to attach this to the lower part of the gown. That's attaching the flay to the upper part of this dress. Okay, this is, just stay tuned. So I'm just marking my dart. While I'm at this, if you're here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and tap on your notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So this is the upper part of the dress. I've already made it, so I'll just be sewing with ½ inch round, and I will sew with ½ inch for the back as well. So I just joined them, attached my zip, attached my sleeve, and that is all. So thank you for watching.